hope you guys enjoyed that intro to the Christmas series for my channel. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. But yes, we are finally starting Christmas videos and I'm so excited. We're starting off with this Christmas plan for me featuring this kit from Whimsical Plans. It's like the perfect Christmas color scheme. I actually have these two new rolls of washi that I got from Michaels that actually match perfectly with this kit. So I'm so excited to like bring them in to this kit. I'm doing a lot of Christmassy stuff this week, so I'm so excited for this week. So if you're interested in seeing how this holiday spread does turn out, just keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get planning.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. These full boxes have to be my favorite part because they are just so gorgeous. I just love the Christmas clip art. It's so cute. Like this gingerbread house just makes me want to build a gingerbread house, and these like Christmassy books. I totally want to watch Christmas movies this day, which is why I put Christmas movie at the bottom of this day, because you can never watch too many Christmas movies during December. Am I right or am I right? What are some Christmas movie suggestions that you guys have? I've already watched a lot of them on Netflix. I haven't watched my favorites yet, How the Grinch Stole Christmas and Miracle on 34th Street yet, but those are coming up. Trying to look for some more Christmas videos to watch. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in a comment down below, because I will totally be watching a whole bunch of Christmas movies this month. But yeah, I love this spread, love the color scheme. It just turned out so cute and so perfect. So very happy with this week, and I hope you guys liked it too. And if you did, don't forget to comment down below, and I will make sure to shout you out in next week's video. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week we're going to be doing a no Etsy kid spread using these leftover stickers and Michael stickers that I have accumulated. A lot of these are like past Christmassy spreads that I've done. Others of these are Michael stickers that I just haven't used yet, like this whole sheet of like icons and like this sheet. Next week is going to be looking a lot like Christmas. This is the full box I'm using in the Thankful Thought area, and then I just have a whole bunch of other full box and other types of stickers. So if you're excited to see this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. And believe me, you're not gonna want to miss the amount of Christmas content I have coming up, because it's going to be epic. You might even see a video this Sunday. Stay tuned to find out. But until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!